Gamit ang kamay at diskarte, angat sa negosyo at ideya ang isang second-year architecture student na si Jerry. Negosyo kasi niya, pagbebenta ng iba't ibang parte ng mga lumang sasakyan. Inspirasyon niya dito ang pagkahumaling niya sa mga laruang sasakyan noong bata pa siya.
This hobby started since I was a kid. I grew up playing toy cars, and from there, I continue loving cars. This is also because of my dad, maybe, because he's into cars, but not really that much. I think the most significant thing na nag-kickstart sa akin to dig more into cars is me watching YouTube videos. Like people fixing their cars, restoring things, restoring cars, and doing cars in general.
Kaya sa edad pa lang na 21, walang pag-aalinlangang pinasok ni Jerry ang negosyong ito.
Start out cars. I dismantle and sell the usable parts of my junk or any neglected cars. So yun, para magamit pa ng ibang tao and makatulong sa mga project nila like I do. I'm a project car, I do projects myself, and dito din ako kumukuha ng parts nun. So I decided to, why not I sell parts to them?
Mula rito, nagkaroon na rin siya ng mga customers at lalo pang lumago ang negosyo nito.
Nag-continue yung pan namin, yung mga deal namin. Hanggang sa ngayon, nagkakamusta kami.
Bukod sa mga lokal na business transactions, umabot na rin si Jerry internationally. Sinisiguro ni Jerry na kahit mula sa mga lumang sasakyan ang mga binibenta niya, ini-inspeksyon niya itong mabuti bago ibenta. Aabot na sa 20 sasakyan ang naipundar ni Jerry mula noong nagsimula ito sa negosyo. Kaya hanga dito ang kanyang ama.
It takes a lot more than just parents helping you out. It takes a lot of course, interest to do things because this is the kind of business that normally won't be suitable for teenager his age. But to have the aptitude for mechanical things because it's not an easy thing to be dealing with old cars, how you can make profit out of literally junk. So you have also to have that business acumen, not only technical, but meron ka dapat ding good business sense to be able to be successful in this kind of endeavor. So
dahil estudyante pa lamang si Jerry, marami pa rin siyang plano upang mapalago ang nasimulan niyang negosyo.
I restored this car because I think the people who restore cars will understand this. They are very different from modern cars. They have such a vibe na it brings you to the memory lane, nostalgia, ganun ba? The cars represent their era. Kung 80s yan, you'll feel 80s from the 80s din. I don't know. I cannot explain it, but it's very good. Kaya yun yung na-attract ako dun sa parang feeling na yun. That's why I'm doing this.
Patunay si Jerry na hindi nakabase ang tagumpay lamang sa edad. Kailangan lang ng dedikasyon at pagpupursige upang maabot ito. Camille Batallones para sa Luzon Headline.